Here, going to Universal Studios, Hollywood. Looking for parking now. Here, just arrived. The Universal City parking lot.
So many people, huh?
So many people, huh? All walks of life. People from all over the world coming here to enjoy the Universal Studios Hollywood.
Baka nandito na yung mga kaibigan mo.
It's our company picnic.
Ha?
This is our company sponsored picnic.
Wala?
Free. Parking. Guys, we are here at the Universal Studios. Si Harry Potter. Mamaya, pupunta kami doon kay Harry Potter. Let's go. Sa escalator tayo. Guys, we're going to the entrance to pick up our tickets. Guys, we're here. Universal Studios Hollywood. Okay? Ano ba yan? Eh, ano na lang kita, video. Okay, pipicture na kita ha. 1, 2, 3. Point. Come to Universal Studio Hollywood. Starbs. Sushi tempura.
Hindi natin nadala yung payong.
It's sugar! Sugar ka dyan ba, no? Kids.
Ibabagam po.
Buba! Kids. Tao, kids. Bilabong din to.
Bilabong.
Diyan ko siya binili.
Wala? Yan ang mga kaibigan mo.
Universal.
Ayun, check-in. Ayun, oh, may car stores check-in. Ito pala mga kaibigan mo yan, oh. The famous globe. Universal Studio. Oh, yun na si Universal Studios. Doon tayo mamaya. Ha?
Here, guys.
Check-in na tayo.
Check-in.
Car stores check-in, oh.
May araw. Ay, dito.
Mag-check.
Guys, famous globe. Universal Studio. Let's go.
Famous globe. Go.
Ito yung pila po mo.
Saan wala na. Kailangan natin sundan. Ayun, oh, check-in dun, oh. Picture ka. Picture tayo.
Here. Red carpet. Universal Studio. This is the entrance. So we're gonna pick up our ticket first. Here. We're gonna pick up the ticket here. With our company. Let's go get it. Nice. Here.
Universal Studios.
Sabi 11:30.
Sa labas pala siya. Kala ako dun sa loob ng dun ulit sa theater.
Guys, we're here. We are gonna eat a lot of food in here. Mario muna tayo kay Mario. Nintendo World. Mario. Galing! Parang nasa computer! Oh! Hala! Daming mushroom, no? Mga mushroom, oh! Si Bowser, oh, Bowser. Mario ba? Yun, the Mario. Daming mushroom. Mario, flash ka? Ha? Naka-flash ka. Di ba dilit eh? Kaya talaga pag-maliit.
Walang kwenta yung flash.
Bowser. Maba pa rin pila sa loob.
Pila ulit.
Naku. Ikot na naman tayo.
Ang taong ganun.
Ano ba yan? So 2 hours. Bakit may mga libro si Mario? Babasa ba libro yun?
May Bowser yan eh. Meron. Si Bowser yung si Peach.
Ayun. Sino yun?
Makinig lang ni si Peach.
Kala ko nagbabasa si Mario ng ano.
Galing 3D oh.
3D yan. Kala mo minalipad oh. Ano, para may screen niya? Wala. Hologram.
Sa atin. Ito yung sa atin oh. Mga bata gumamit.
Lay on the horn, I'll be in cold.
Si Optimus oh.
Max? I'm Optimus. I know Maximum as well. This is Bumblebee.
Hey!
He goes Max too.
Bumblebee.
Max,
Ban, doon kasi, pasok ko rin lang. Yun.
really?
Kaya tawag ka ba?
Congratulations. Max, raise your muscles. Let's see some power. Yeah, Max. Max, you did great. Got big shoes to fill after Max.
Pwede mo pa-picture ba, no? Dali, Ban, dumaan. Dali. Picture lang kita, Ban. Dali. Pa-thumbnail natin. Dali. Pa-thumbnail ko, Ban. Dali, na-thumbnail ko.
Hey!
Look like chains.
Pa-thumbnail kita.
She's dangerous. Glad she's with us.
Pasok ka, Ban.
Carries the owl. Must be
Sabihin mo na sa
careful.
baba. Ano sabi? Ay, sayang.
Thank you, Two Tails.
Tara.
My name is Optimus Prime,
Hi, Ma.
Director of the Matrix of Leadership. May your spark burn bright.
Abay, Optimus.
Set Mario on the ground.
Tara. Nasakay tayo sa Transformer. Transformer tayo. Ilang minutes? 65 minutes? Ba?
Pila na naman.
Pila na naman tayo sa Transformer. Magpagutom.
Himself in the shadows, determined to strike with a killing blow. Rival.
Ito ba yung kinukuha nila? Nila Prime? Yan ba yung nasa dibdib niya?
Just keep coming. Rival will take you to a spear.
Spear? Ha? Yan ba yung spear? Guys, may dinosaur dito, guys.
It's okay, Baloo. I know she's ready to get her sisters. Show Baloo your paws.
Ayun pa yun, dito no?
Go right there as you see.
Marami din tayo sa unahan.
Stepping towards you.
Guys, may dinosaur, guys. Let's go up. Saan tayo? Let's go, guys. Studio tour. Let's go, studio tour.
Studio tour. Hindi siya.
This is exciting. Studio tour. Guys, we're gonna go to the studio tour. 60 minutes. Exciting. You're gonna see all the sets they used in the movies. And then we're gonna go see the King Kong, the 3D King Kong animation. We're gonna go to the studio tour. Yes. Pick up na ba tayo? Hindi pa. Mamaya na. Ha? Dalawa. Pwede ba salamin mo yan? It is time! Ha? Pila na tayo sa dulo man. Okay. Number saan tayo? Bye tayo! Ano tayo? Pa tayo sa mga bata dito. Dito sa mga bata. Sige dyan. Tayo tayo ng train. Ayun, doon tayo sasakay sa train. Ilid tayo. Oo, parang kitang-kita. Kasi yun yung train na sasakyan namin, no? Hindi, meron yan. Makati yan. Mga special pass siguro yung mga yan. Yung mga nakasakay na yan, no? Ito yung tayo. Nice! There we go. Sakto. Sweet! Oh! First seat, first seat. Unahan yung mga tao. Unahan sila. Ito, katabi ko si Pan.
Hello and welcome, friends. You made it. It's the world famous studio tour. You guys have
Sinarado na, sinarado na.
Yes. All right. Well, I'm going to take that as an absolute yes. We are about to have even more fun. Here's my robot. Not yet. You know it's going to happen. My name is Christine. I'm your live studio tour guide for about the next 45 minutes or so as we give you a little peek behind the scenes of where we make some of your baby rules before we truly get started here. I want you to get the full experience, but be safe as well. Now, my friends, if you have a major medical emergency and need guest assistance, or if you drop something of great value off the side of the tram, just reach up, grab that red emergency cord that you see running along the center of the ceiling, and I'll be back to assist you as soon as it is safe to do so. Otherwise, please remain seated throughout the entire tour. Keep those arms in
1985, 1955, and the far, far distant future, 2015. To this day, this is one of the most popular sets on the Universal Studio Tour.
We had a lot of fun making those films here on the lot. I wonder what it'd be like to go back to those days. If only we had a time machine.
Hey everybody, do you think we can get this tram up to 88 miles per hour?
Let's do it.
Back to the future.
See you in the future.
Now, not only Back to the Future was filmed here, that clock tower is still there to the left behind that City Hall facade, but also To Kill a Mockingbird was filmed here in 1962, starring Gregory Peck. Lots of television to include Ghost Whisperer, Rutherford Falls, and Good Place, and commercials as well as music videos. Our own Lady Gaga was out here. She was filming scenes from her music video called Edge of Glory on one of her working fire escapes.
King Kong? Andiyan yung si King Kong.
So I was thrilled when Universal invited me back.
So kailangan natin suot yung ano, yung 3D glasses natin.
Now we have created this 3D immersive experience, so you're going to have to have your glasses ready. Don't put them on yet, just put them in your hand because we're about to return to Skyline.
Thank you, Mr. Jackson. A couple of quick safety rules. If you have not already moved the small children to the middle of the row, strongly suggest you do it now. Keep those hands and feet inside, and no flash photography, my friends. Turn off the lights on your cameras and cell phones. Also, hold on tightly to those valuables. Anything dropped off the side of the tram inside one of our buildings.
Hindi ko na pinakita yan. Hindi ko na pinakita sa King Kong kasi bawal, madilim. Tsaka mababasa yung ano. May mga tubig na lumalabas sa babasa yung camera.
Makeup and hair, even mural by hand. It's true. That is an homage to our classic monsters, my friends, and he did it all with spray paint. A couple of 100 cans of spray paint. We are so honored to have his artwork on our back lot. Well done, Tristan.
Spray paint.
Now, if you're a fan of The Voice, it's a 2D attraction, a 2D set here, but you get to at least see what the inside of a soundstage looks like. And to your left, you can see all of those cameras. Oh, it is a double-decker set. Okay. And I've seen signs for San Francisco. Okay, so if this is meant to be the underground subway system, this must be the park system up in Northern California. This is so cool. What is there? I even see it.
Matay tayo.
Bago to, ano?
Babasahin pa ako.
Now the time to let you know that attraction was updated and we just opened it for our 60th anniversary a couple of
Shark naman tayo, shark.
It appears the police
Shark.
security accident swept the apartment before they
Shark board?
You guys see this? Okay, stay seated. I don't know what's
Shark,
going on.
may shark,
There's a new shark in our home. It's a big one. Dude, swim to the boat, man. You're in danger.
Ayan yung shark ko. Patay yun. Patay. Actual cuts right there, children. I'm so sorry you had to see that. Just look away. Now Sean says he knows a safe spot. If you guys stay seated, we're gonna scoot behind these large flammable canisters of gasoline. Sean, are you sure about this? Ito may
Okay,
sumasabog
apparently
eh.
sharks are afraid that
Naapoy eh.
everybody takes the bait.
Init yan.
Oh, the shark took the
Oh shit.
Dude,
Yun.
what is that smell?
Basa. May tubig. Oh shit. Oh, init.
My friend in the second car, you must sit down. My friend in the second car, sit down, please. Thank you. This is not good because sharks. Oh no! I thought they were afraid of fire, but they're
Ay, may
not.
shark, oh.
It's Jaws.
Yan o. It's not good.
And you survived another potential.
May bumabaha.
A special effect. In fact,
Ah, dito.
I wonder if that's created. You can do our first major attraction here on the
Bugado. Dito may baha.
Shower.
Yan na, ulan. Umuulan. Guys, umuulan, guys.
100% chance of rain. Flash flood.
Thank you, Mr. Roder. As you can see, the overhead sprinklers provided
Started raining, huh?
3 times larger than normal, so they never can see it. This flashes of lightning, courtesy of high intensity LED
Ulan na, inaabot tayo ng ulan.
It popped out from speakers. If you can believe it, Lady Gaga was also out here shooting scenes for the music video called Judas. She did it.
Ayan na, baha.
She did it. She looked amazing.
Patay tayo, babahay tayo.
No, too much water. Headed over. Hang on, friends. Watch out.
Konti na lang siya.
Wow, that's a lot of water.
Dati dami.
Tens of thousands of gallons of recycled water
Recycled water.
back up to the top of the hill. Yes, this is an area where old Mexico, my friends, used to live in film and television.
Dati ang dami
Of course,
din.
Lady Gaga, some famous
cars naman tayo, cars.
on the left-hand side, my friends. We got one of the OG glamour trams, yes, from 1964. Kid you not, and that is old school. Right next to the old glamour tram, we got a couple of vehicles from the Jurassic Park, Jurassic World series. Those Flintstones vehicles made out of foam rubber and fiberglass, and it looks like we brought out the big guns from Fast and Furious. Holy cow! And you can see Bumblebee from Transformers parked right next to a Decepticon. You mean they're actually friends in real life? That's crazy. And we are turning on Janet Lee Drive, my friends, because why? Well, she starred in a cute little romantic comedy with Anthony Perkins Backyard. My friends, one of the largest and most impressive sets ever built for an alien disaster film. From Steven Spielberg's 2005 version, it's War of the Worlds. Starring Tom Cruise and Dakota Fanning. That is a real Boeing 747 there to your left. Mr. Spielberg decided to buy an out-of-condition retired airplane from out in the Mojave Desert, where we have a boneyard and charged it up and hauled it out here on flatbed trucks. It took months to set up, along with more than 100 tons of debris, and I'll just show you what it looked like on the big screen. Rick Carter, the production designer, check this out.
Ayun yung pinanood natin. Yan pala yun.
The airplane crash
Cruise.
is a perfect example of a set.
Sa movie na to. Anong title ng movie?
You sit down and talk about war of the world. I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
And if you remember, Tom Cruise and Dakota Fanning, their eyes are so big that those actors were not allowed to see this set until the very morning of filming. Yeah, can you imagine?
Robbie, get in.
Robbie, I'd be getting in the car, man.
Get in.
Well, do what Tom says if you want to live. Now, of course, that took months to set up. It took weeks to film, and it occupied a whole 4 minutes of the entire movie. I kid you not. Now's the time for me to let you know we're about 15 minutes away from the end of the tour. We'll be getting you back to that theme park shortly. Just remember, stay seated, pull on the thing here, and those 3D animation buildings require that you stay seated. Keep those hands and feet inside. Hold on to your valuables.
We can't film inside, so I need to stop the filming.
We also need you to turn off the lights on your camera.
That was good. Whew, that was good. Na-picture ka doon, Hollywood sign. Roasted chicken.
Bakit chicken yan? Dapat turkey leg ah. Diba? Turkey leg nakasulat dun oh. Sige, game.
Ano natin ko?
Ultragas pa.
Beer. Gonna get a beers. Oh, beers. Get a beer. Let's get a beer. Nice. You got 2 beers. Beer. Butter. Butter beer. Beers. Cheers. Your style. Beers. Sarap, tamis. So good. Good. From Harry Potter. Meron rights dun ah. Ito. Hogwarts. Kata nga Hogwarts. Ba? Hogwarts tayo ba? Ang taas yung castle ni Harry Potter. Dito yung ano, labas.
Nabili yan ng wand din, dito yun.
Dito tayo ng wand. Power by wand niya?
Yung wand daw.
Ano na? Mga display lang. Mga display. Bibili ka rin to. Mga wand nila sa ano. Okay. May mga pangalan, si Harry Potter nandun. Oh, okay. Dito sa kabila. Mga wand. Ito. Ay, mga James Potter. Sino ba kilala dyan? Mga Death Eater. Ito si Albus Dumbledore, oh. Albus sila. Dumbledore, oh. Ito, oh. Ano yun? Magkakaano kayo mga? Ito yung wand ni Dumbledore. Gryffindor! Yun ba yun? Yung sabi? Pwede mo ilagay pangalan mo. Tignan natin yung kay Harry Potter. Ano kaya? Display lang ba ito?
Ito si Harry Potter, oh. Sige nga, paano mo nga? Maganahin mo nga. Pwede mo lagay pangalan mo dun. Oh. Okay. Tara.
Go. Go to the ride. Dito kami sa One Store. Ang daming wand, oh.
Ito kay Harry Potter, oh.
Ang daming wand. Kay Harry Potter ba yan?
Ayun, ganyan. Nakasarap.
Ang daming wand, guys, oh. Yun, oh. Oh my God, ang dami. Ito, One Store din to. Ay, mga damit naman. Mga damit. A robe. Okay. Ayun, a robe, oh. Memorabilia.
Para sa ano mo?
Pucha.
Kano kaya?
Mahal naman, eh. T-shirt. Dito kami guys kay Harry Potter, walang pila, oh. 20 minutes lang ang wait time. Good, that's good. Come on guys. Dito tayo kay Harry Potter. Guys. Guys, nandito na tayo. We are here. Harry Potter. Uy. Galing, oh. Ano to? Ano yan ba? Nakakatakot naman. Woo! Nakakatakot naman ba? Dilim-dilim? Dumbledore. Nakakatakot naman. Dilim. Dilim. Ay, may tinan mo to. Yung ano, gumagalaw, oh, yung picture frame. Gumagalaw yung picture frame. Yung pa isa, oh, si vocal, oh. Ano, gagala, nagsasalita pa na yung mga picture frame. Nagsasalita yung mga ano? Ano to? Ano to? Exit yan, eh. Exit na talaga. Exit? Exit na. Ito si Harry Potter sa taas, eh.
Find yourself listening to Professor Binns go on a history of Hogwarts.
Which should be pointed out is Bob Battles. One of the personality university is the film about Hogwarts.
Perhaps another time. The point is, Professor Binns is very boring.
Hindi naman rights na pakitula. Ha? Ito pati yung Jari, oh. Ang weird yung mga gamit dito. Yung mga ano nila, nagkasalita kami.
Once aboard, please secure any of your many items which might fall.
So tayo, malapit na. Look, that was so much fun.
Tapos
Harry
na
Potter.
si Harry Potter. Only 20 minutes wait.
20 minutes wait. And that was so much fun. Better than the Super Mario. Lapit na Halloween, guys, oh.
Horror Nights.
Ito,
Dinedress up na nila.
dress up na.
Ito ata yung mga Bata na.
Malapit na kasi ang ano, ang Halloween.
Ito yung mga pambata.
Sino to? Halloween. Malapit. Ano naman naliligo? Ako, pinaliguan na, oh. Naliligo.
Water park?
Ayun, oh.
Merong ano dito?
Illumination. Naligo na yung mga bata dun, oh. Parang nangamoy ano dito, nangamoy, ayun sila, oh. Nangamoy, ano? Oh, ang ganda ng view rito, oh. Ooh. Ganda ng view.
Lahat dito, oh.
Lahat. Ito na yung ano, overview ng ano, Universal Studios. Yun. Oh, kikinyamins. Universal Studios. Dito. Pamigali. Ito na yung pinaka-view niya. At yung bagong ginagawang ano, roller coaster. Fast and the Furious. Hindi pa gawa, oh. Pero malapit na to. Ayan, oh. Nagawa. Malapit na yan. Almost. Ang pangalan niya? Sino to? Picture ka. Picture ka, tabi mo. Asya. Secret of life off the leash. Time to go home. Bye. Going home. Going home. Going home. Dito kanina tayo kumain ba, no? Globe chat. Dito kanina. Bye bye Universal Studio.
We ate here earlier for lunch.
Galing ng gumawa nito, oh.
Ano kaya siya talaga yun? May statue sila dito.
Parang totoo talaga.
Galing, oh. Buhay na buhay, oh.
Tapos Batman. Galing talaga. Batman, oh. Kano kaya ito binibenta nila? Binibenta rin nila. Let's go. City Walk. Ito. Para may lumilipad sila, oh. Galing, oh. Wala sang hangin. Oh, galing. Galing. Ikot siya, ikot. Okay. Wow. Okay, time's up. Nahalipad pa rin. Going home. Thank you for watching, guys. It's been a long day, so we had so much fun. Now we're hungry. We're gonna eat outside. We're gonna eat some dim sum in the mall. So I see you guys on the next one. LPH signing off.